Hello everyone, myself Karthik Echi, studying in second sem in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today my topic is features of design thinking. Features of design thinking first. Design thinking is an human-centered approach to problem solving that emphasizes empathy, collaboration and iteration. It is a non-linear process that allows for open exploration and generation of creative solutions. Design thinking is an encourage a mindset of curiosity, experimentation, and learning from failures. Empathy. Empathy is an cornerstone of design thinking as it involves understanding and sharing the feelings, thought, and experience of others. Design thinking is an immerses themselves in the user world to gain insights and identify their need and desire and challenges. By empathizing with user designers can create a solution that truly address their unique problem and aspiration. Collaboration. Collaboration is another key of features of design thinking as it involves bringing together diverse and skills. Design thinkers engage in interdisciplinary teams to leverage different viewpoints and generate more robust ideas. Collaboration enables designers to tap into collective intelligence and create solutions that are more inclusive and effective. Iteration. Iteration is an essential aspect of design thinking as it involves a cycle of prototyping, testing, and refining ideas. Design thinkers embrace the idea that the first solution may not be best, are willing to iterate and improve upon their initial concept. Iteration allows for continuous learning and refinement, ultimately leading to more innovative and successful solutions. Open exploration. Design thinking encourages a mindset of open exploration where designers challenge assumptions, explore new possibilities. Design thinkers engage a divergent thinking to generate a wide range of ideas before covering on most promising ones. Open exploration fosters creativity and helping designers uncover a novel solution that may not have been initial apartment. Curiosity. Curiosity is a fundamental characteristic of design thinking as it drives designer to ask questions, seek understanding and constantly learning. Designer thinkers approach problems with a sense of curiosity, treating them as opportunity for discovering a growth. Curiosity sparks a creative and allows a designer to uncover a hidden insight that can inform and inspire their solution. Experimentation. Experimentation is a key feature of design thinking as it involves testing ideas and assumptions through prototyping and feedback. Design thinkers embrace a mindset of learning by doing and are not afraid to try a new opportunities and calculate a risk. Experimentation helps a designer validate their ideas, gather valuable insight and refine their solution based on real world feedback. Learning from failures. Design thinkers acknowledge that failures is an inherent a part of a creative process and their opportunity for growth. Design thinkers view failures as a learning experience and use it, iterate and improve their ideas. By embracing failures, designers can uncover valuable lessons and insights that can lead to breakthrough solutions. Summary. Design thinkers is a human-centered approach to problem solving that emphasizes empathy, collaboration and iteration. It encourages a mindset of curiosity, open exploration and learning from failures. By leveraging that their features, design thinking enable to designer to create innovative and impactful solution. Thank you one and all.